Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something pretty special, especially for those of you who love that classic nostalgic film look. That warm cinematic vibe that just feels timeless. So this is the Kodak Nostalgic Filmlook LUT bundle. And before you even ask, no. This isn't just another film emulation LUT. This is a stylized interpretation of how we remember vintage film. With gentle contrast, warm highlights and rich blacks. And look, I get it. The internet is flooded with LUTs. Most of them promise to turn your footage into some cinematic masterpiece, but end up looking like an Instagram filter gone wrong. So that's why I made this one. A LUT that actually works. This LUT isn't about extreme looks, crushing shadows. It's about balance. It's about creating a mood that enhances your storytelling, which is what color grading is supposed to be. It's inspired by how we remember classic Kodak film. Nostalgic, warm. I made sure the LUT works across all major log profiles. Whether you're shooting with Sony, Canon, ARRI, Blackmagic, or even an iPhone, you'll get consistent, nostalgic color grading every time. And here's the thing. It isn't a magic bullet. It won't fix bad lighting or terrible exposure. But if you got solid footage and you want that warm nostalgic film look, this LUT will do exactly that, without overcomplicating things. No complicated notes, no endless tweaking. Just drop the LUT in your timeline, adjust exposure, fine-tune contrast, and you're done. It's designed to speed up your workflow without sacrificing quality. From Sony S-Log 3 to Canon Log 2, from Blackmagic Gen 5 to Rec 709, the Kodak Nostalgic Filmlook LUT maintains a consistent cinematic vibe across all platforms. So, if you're tired of looks that overpromise and underdeliver, or if you just want to give your projects that timeless nostalgic look, give this one a shot. You'll find a link in the description below, and of course you can go to my website offwhitecolor.com. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you're into this kind of content.